So I've got the Kwikset double cylinder deadbolt lock, and as you can see, this is the inside. You use a key, and on the outside it uses a key as well. There's no visible screws to remove it from the outside, obviously, and then from the inside, you see here, these two screws are these irreversible screws that allow you to tighten but don't allow you to loosen or unscrew. So actually, if I can show you here, the way that they're set up, you can torque it this way, but then they're missing a part, there's missing a piece there to kind of turn it the other way. So I kind of tried, and obviously it doesn't work. On the Kwikset website, they said take a flathead screwdriver and a hammer and see if you can turn it that way. So they don't really give instructions, they just give you the tools to use. So I assume we'll just take it here, pound it in a little bit, give it a twist. So we'll see if that works. Oh, there we go. All right, in business. There's one. There we go. Here's the other one. So that worked. Thank you, Kwikset. And now I'm ready to install my new Kevo smart lock.